Hello friends, I am Shruti Parashar. Welcome to my channel Biology 360. Today's topic is Human Excretory System. This topic is useful for ICSE, CBSE, IGCSE and HSC board students and for students preparing for various competitive exams like NEET, AIIMS and Olympiad. Human excretory system. In humans, the excretory system consists of a pair of kidneys, one pair of ureters, a urinary bladder, and a urethra. So these are the different organs of the excretory system. Kidneys are reddish-brown, bean-shaped structures situated between the levels of last thoracic and third lumbar vertebra. Towards the center of the inner concave surface of the kidney is a notch called hilum through which ureter, blood vessels and nerves enter. In this slide, we see the diagram of urinary system. This diagram is important from the exam point of view. In the diagram, we see a pair of kidneys. We also see the blood vessels. We see the red blood vessel. It is called as the renal artery. It brings oxygenated blood to the kidneys. The one in blue color is a renal vein. It removes deoxygenated blood from the kidneys. From the kidneys arises two tubular organs called as ureters. These ureters, they carry the urine from the kidneys into the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder, it is located in the lower part of the abdomen. A sphincter or circular muscle guards the opening of the bladder into the urethra and relaxes only at the time of urination. Kidneys bring about separation and elimination of nitrogenous waste, excess water and toxic substances from the body. So the main function of the kidneys is removing nitrogenous waste as well as to remove the toxic substances from the body. They maintain homeostasis by way of their role in osmoregulation and regulation of pH of body fluids. Homeostasis meaning stable internal environment and osmoregulation meaning regulation of salt and water balance. So kidneys play a very important role in maintaining homeostasis as well as osmoregulation. They produce calcitriol and renin. Erythropoietin secreted by kidneys is essential for production of RBCs. Calcitriol is a form of vitamin D3 and renin is an enzyme secreted by the kidneys that participates in the body's renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system. Erythropoietin is a hormone secreted by kidneys required for the production of RBCs. Ureters transport urine from renal pelvis to urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is a temporary storage organ for urine. It helps to expel urine. This process is called micturition. Urethra is a passageway for discharging urine from body. In males, it acts as urinogenital organ. In males, urethra helps to carry urine as well as semen. Therefore, it is called as urinogenital organ in males. Histologically, kidney is divisible into two regions as renal cortex and renal medulla. So, kidneys is divided into two regions. Outer region of kidney is called as renal cortex and the inner region is known as renal medulla. Renal cortex is outer peripheral, red colored and granular region. Cortex contains Malpighian bodies, convoluted tubules and blood vessels. Malpighian bodies, convoluted tubule, these are all the regions of nephron. Medulla is inner region of kidney with pale red color and striated appearance. Medulla mainly consists of loop of Henle and collecting ducts. All these are arranged in conical manner to form renal pyramids. Cortex extends in medulla as column of Bertini or renal column between pyramids. This is a diagram of longitudinal section of kidney. This diagram is very important from the exam point of view. In the diagram, we see the outer region of kidney called as cortex and the inner region of kidney known as medulla. In the medulla, we see medullary pyramids. We also see two blood vessels, renal artery and renal vein. There is calyx. Calyx opens into pelvis. Pelvis, it stores urine, and then from the pelvis, ureters arises. So urine from pelvis enters into ureter, and ureter carries the urine into the urinary bladder. Renal papilla open into minor calyx. Minor calyx merge together to form major calyx, and major calyx unite together to form renal pelvis. Renal pelvis is funnel-shaped area in the region of medulla of kidney. Renal pelvis continues as ureter which lifts kidney through hilus.